For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching you and me. I am Shradha. If you're new to my channel, then make sure that you subscribe to it if you like my videos, and also follow me on my Instagram and like my Facebook page. The links are there in the description box. Coming to today's video, we all love to smell good, but especially during the summers, we develop certain situations as there's so much of sweat that we only feel awkward of visiting to someone. We ourselves don't feel confident to talk to someone if we feel that we are not smelling good. So today I'm going to tell you some amazing tips and tricks to how you can apply perfume, how you can smell good all day. So let's get started. Number one, apply the perfumes where the blood circulation is the most. So you can apply it on the wrist area, on your elbow, on the back of your ears, on your neck here, and also you can apply it on the back of your knees. So in this way it will really stay for a longer time and it will give you more fragrance in comparison if you apply it on your other parts of your body. Number two, don't apply it on your clothes. In that way it just spreads all over your clothes and it loses its fragrance very easily and very quickly. Number three, apply it on your hair. So in that way the hair will absorb all its fragrance and it will last for a really long time. Number four, and the most important, that don't apply perfumes on that part of your body where you sweat a lot, especially on your underarms area, because in that way the sweat and the fragrance of the perfume collapse and then it creates a damage to the environment. Number five is apply Vaseline, petroleum jelly or any kind of moisturization cream before applying a perfume on the areas. In that way the cream will absorb all its fragrance and again it will help it to last for a really long time. And lastly, apply the perfume as soon as you come out of your shower. In that way your body will absorb its fragrance and it will help it to stay for a longer time. And lastly, a DIY for all you guys. We all have certain different kinds of body and there are many of us who sweats a lot and it doesn't smell too good. So if you also feel the same, then what you can do is that 5 to 10 minutes before going to shower, you can just rub peel of lemon on your underarms area or whichever body part sweats the most, and keep it for good 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Or you can also scrub or apply baking soda on your underarms area. This will not only help you to get a control on the sweating and the smelling part, but also it will help you to lighten the underarm area. So yes, that's it. These were some tips and tricks that I wanted to share with all of you so that you can smell amazing all day and people will love your company. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and let me know in the comment section that what kind of more videos you want to see. I'll really appreciate that. So that's it. Now we'll meet on my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye.